Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have not got into this yet. I opened the box because I thought it was something else, and it was a knife that I didn't. Anyways, there's a note here. We're not going to be seeing the obsidian toenail today, is what I'm saying. There's a note here. It says, "Hey, MC, enclosed is the blank." Yes, interesting. Feel free to carry, use, disassemble. This will be carried by me, and it will get banged up. So this is something I'm just gonna. It's loaned to me, and then it goes back to just like normal. The flipper tab is removable, which I did, and I liked, but I put it back on for you to review. The tool and filler screw are included. Cool. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you on the next live stream. Awesome. So this was this gentleman right here. You should follow him on Instagram because it's people like him that make it possible for me to share with this. Look at what's going on with the dialogue. People like him make it possible for me to share this stuff with you guys on my channel. Anyways, thanks to my generous patrons for supporting me. Link for Patreon down below. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So, this is called the LionSteel X Emerson L.E.One, apparently. If this is available, I will link it right now. I remember. You guys were asking about this. LionSteel made a Karambit. Okay. So listen, I know people who are big into Karambits are probably mad that I'm laughing right now. If you've watched my channel, you know that this is not typically, I have no idea how to use a Karambit, right? Because it's typically not the type of knife that I use for EDC. It's also not my, aesthetically it would be my number one choice. Is this aluminum with a steel lock bar insert? So the flipping action is you really are going to have, the angle on that is good, right? You need to do this. Can you front flip it? I don't know. Let's find out. Kind of. Yeah, you can totally do it. How about the reverse flick? Yeah, you can totally do it. How about, let's go this way. Can we? Yeah, okay, it's kind of fidgety, right? This is what I want to do every time I handle a Karambit. I want to stick my finger in here and I want to swing it around like a helicopter, which I know is a stupid thing to do. It's very dangerous. It's just my my instinct, right? I know nothing about self-defense and the tactical use of folding knives because I don't live in a world. I don't know about your world. I don't live in a world where that's that's not a regular thing for me, right? I'm more of a kind of a groceries and a, t-ball games kind of. That's my existence right now. Okay, it is interesting and weird. LionSteel and Emerson Karambit. What an interesting thing. Oh crap, it's in MagnaCut. Okay. Wow. I don't know. It's kind of, I'll say this. As far as Karambit, I will review this. This is obviously not a review. This is an unboxing and first impressions. This is available. I will absolutely link this right down in the description. It's available. I have a LionSteel with a flipper tab is removable, by the way, so you can do that. And truthfully, this works plenty well with that opening hole. It's better, right? I will review this and give it a fair review, but I'm going to review it as a day-to-day tool, even though it is meant for something different. Why? Why do you do that, Metal Complex? Because 99.999% of the people who buy this will use it pretty much only for day-to-day stuff. Yeah, you can have it in your pocket and be ready for ninjas and stuff like that to attack you on your way to whatever, the bowling alley, right? But what are you going to use it for? Regular stuff, right? It's why that you don't need some sort of tactical pass. You don't need to be Dragon Ninja level 9 of the Fire Clan to be able to buy this. It's not like it's in like some sort of golden box that's wrapped in velvet. Yes, you have passed the Ultimate Ninja course, level 100. Here's your Emerson and LionSteel Karambit. No, you can just go buy this at a retailer. You can literally be anybody and just go buy it, right? So it's cool, and the implication behind it and the design, like philosophy and all of that, it's there, but what are you going to use it for? Regular stuff. Even the people who buy it for that purpose, what are you going to use it for? Regular stuff, right? So reviewing it as a regular day-to-day tool is substantially more applicable. It's way more validity to it. So despite the frustration of people, right? Even those of you who have fought off ninjas with stuff like this, I'm going to guess, I'm going to guess pretty much nobody. It's just not I'm not going to review it like that. I'm going to review it as what people are actually going to use it for, right? So, yeah, sorry. How's it made? It's actually made really well. I really like the texture pattern on it. Really like the milling. Wait a second. Wait, what? Is this an integral? No. What? There are no, this is an integral. This is the weirdest knife, man. What the heck am I looking at here? Emerson and LionSteel collaborated to create an integral aluminum frame lock Karambit in MagnaCut. This is freaking bizarre. This is such a weird knife. I mean, like the different crowds that this is catering to, right? Like the number of number one, the MagnaCut steel, the integral design, right? It being all one piece, I'm guessing of aluminum. Maybe I'm going to find out this is tight. It's hard to tell, right? I'm guessing it feels like aluminum. The integral nature, right? The fact that we have, LionSteel collaborating with Emerson. Emerson is one of those designers and knife makers that exists in both like the non-enthusiast, like hyper tactical, like that world, and the enthusiast, right? Because anybody who says otherwise, it's like, no, dude, like go see what his customs are selling for before you tell me, right? Don't open your mouth unless you are aware 100%. You're going to provide an argument knowing that there are Emersons out there that sell for thousands of dollars, right? So definitely, he's got his foot on both sides of the fence there. This is just such a weird clash of worlds, and I'm unsure what to do about it. Honestly, this is one of the coolest Karambits that I have ever seen. I'll give it that. It really is. Like all of the little elements that I'm seeing here. Like if you're gonna do this. Is that right? Am I using it right? I don't know. I have no idea, right? Pretty cool though. I hate how these look. They just look absolutely ridiculous to me, right? It has the unicorn horn for tactical, so you can open it with the seam of your pocket as you pull it out. Hey, get away from my mailbox, sir. I'm the mailman. Yeah, but okay, right? It's there. Like, there's a million ways to open this thing, and it's pretty cool. The funny thing is, this, as far as like LionSteel knives that I've handled before, this flips and functions better than most LionSteel designs that I have handled. So yeah, I'll give it that. Okay, I think I've talked enough here. Like I said, I'll link this down below. It's pretty impressive, especially after noticing it's an integral. Pretty neat. So anyways, thank you so much to Jim for sending this in for me to take a look at. This will go back to him when I'm done. I will absolutely do a full comprehensive review on this thing a few weeks down the road. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.